Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the difference between bending stress and the shear stress for different sections. So first of all, the mathematical formula for the bending stress, which is equal to m divided by I, which is equal to sigma divided by y, which is equal to capital E divided by r. While for the shear stress, the mathematical formula is tau, which is equal to f a y bar divided by I b. So first differentiation is respect to the mathematical formula. Now for bending stress, our bending stress diagram as BS is always straight line. So it is either straight line or inclined line according to the given section, while shear stress diagram SS is always parabolic curve or nominal curve. So it is always curvilinear in the nature. Now for the shear stress value, if the base width of the given section which is suddenly changes at any location, then the shear stress diagram is horizontal straight line. It means that our diagram is changes linearly at that particular location. Now third difference for the bending stress and shear stress is according to the value of maximum and minimum. Hence for the bending stress, it means BS value is at top and bottom, it is always maximum of given section. So at top and bottom it is maximum, while at the center, or we can say that the neutral axis, the value for bending stress is always 0. While for the shear stress diagram, if we calculate the top and bottom value as shear stress, then it is always 0. While at the neutral axis or at CG axis, it is always maximum according to the different section. It means at triangular it is maximum at half of the height, but at rest part it is maximum at the neutral axis. Now going ahead for the diagram, if rectangular section is given, then according to the third point it is maximum at this top and bottom, and at center it is 0, or at CG it is 0. And same diagram is for the circular section, but for the triangular section having the height h, our CG is at the h/3 from the bottom, and according to the rule we have to draw the diagram such a way that at neutral axis it is 0, hence at top it is sigma maximum, at bottom it is sigma minimum, but sigma maximum is greater than sigma minimum according to the diagram as shown in the figure. So for rectangle and circular the diagram is common, while for the triangle it is changed. Now for shear stress diagram, for rectangular section or circular section, our diagram for the shear stress is 0 at top and bottom, and at top and bottom it is 0, and at neutral axis it is maximum, and we have to draw a curve as shown in the figure. So shear stress distribution is as shown in the figure, and for triangular section at neutral axis at bottom h/3 and half distance as a h/2, the maximum value at h/2 as shown in the figure. So instead of neutral axis it is at half, our value is maximum for the shear stress as shown in the figure. So these are the differences between bending stress and shear stress with different sections. Thank you.